On the 3rd of March 2011, there will be a referendum on the National Assembly's lawmaking powers. It's the referendum vote today, and everyone is going to the polling stations. If you take your polling card with you, the staff will take your details and help to answer any questions you have about the process. The staff will give you a ballot paper with a question on it and 2 options, yes or no. Just take the ballot paper to one of the voting booths. They are screened to give you privacy while you are voting. Put a cross in the box next to the option you want to vote for. Only cross one box, otherwise your ballot paper won't be counted. Fold your paper in half once you have made your mark, so that no one else can see your vote. Then take it and put it in the black ballot box. That's it, you have cast your vote.
This year, the people of Wales will have 3 opportunities to vote. To find out more, visit vote2011.org.